NFT Screenshot Meme. NFT screenshot memes became very popular after the outrage of NFT owners. Subsequently, it became a controversy. People started to make fun of NFT holders and made various memes on them. It's been a debate for a long time that screenshotting NFTs and making fun of creators by making memes are not funny as it's being portrayed. The issue has become more exciting over time. Want to know about this controversy? Come on, you know we're not that type of people who let you down. Hey everyone, welcome back to NFT Explained for Beginners. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on the latest news on NFTs. We'll provide you with content about NFTs in a much easier way and make it understandable for beginners. With that being said, let's begin. You can photograph or screenshot a house down the street, but you still don't own it. Unlike the owner of the actual house, you will have no equity, no passive income from renters, and no tax breaks, among other things. This is how NFTs function. It's not just about the art, but that's a great reason to have one. NFTs can provide a variety of benefits including resale value, staking chances, airdrops, and IP, among others. So you can capture a screenshot of an Axie, but you'll never be able to breed, stake, flip, or profit from it. But is taking a screenshot of an NFT and using it as your own actually ethically and legally right? One of our smartphone's most useful features is the screenshot, but we can't really screenshot NFTs and use them as our profile picture or even try to sell them as they are owned by someone else. But that's what people are doing, and it became a controversy. There are numerous memes about NFT screenshots and people are finding it amusing. Everyone is clicking the NFT screenshot meme right now. It became viral. Beginning in 2020, NFT screenshot memes became a notion in image, macros, tweets, viral conversations, and other memes. Memes based on the notion following a skeptical NFT crypto art worldwide, similar to right-click, save as memes, implying that NFT collections are useless and senseless because anybody can simply screenshot and save the image. Despite the fact that NFT critics raised the issue of being able to screenshot them in early 2021, memes regarding the concept began to circulate on Twitter along with the rise in popularity of NFTs, and the concept has become more common as a meme. People started to make the meme viral on various platforms like Reddit, Twitter. SpongeBob memes, Pikachu memes, and other various meme templates were applied to this topic, and NFT screenshot memes started to become popular. People started to mimic the NFT owners. They represented it as if screenshotting NFTs is just a joke. Let's first try to understand what NFTs are and what their ownership values are so that you can understand the issue in depth. NFT means non-fungible token. Non-fungible token basically indicates that it's one of a kind and can't be substituted for anything else. A Bitcoin, for example, is fungible, meaning you can exchange one for another and get precisely the identical thing. A one-of-a-kind trade card or other hand cannot be duplicated. You'd get something altogether different if you swapped it for a different card. Most NFTs are at a high level part of the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum, like Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is a cryptocurrency, but its blockchain also enables these NFTs, which store additional information that allows them to function differently from, say, an ETH-coin. It's worth mentioning that various blockchains can use NFTs in their own ways. NFTs can be anything digital from drawings, music, even your brain being downloaded and transformed into an AI. But the current buzz is focused on exploiting the technology to sell digital art. You can make as many copies of a digital file as you like, including the art that comes with an NFT. But the thing is, NFTs on the other hand are designed to provide you something you can't get anywhere else. Ownership of your work through the artist can still retain the copyright and reproduction rights, just like with physical artwork. Every NFT is a one-of-a-kind token on the blockchain in a technical sense. However, unlike a Vincent van Gogh painting, there is only one authentic edition. It may also be as a trading card with 50 or hundreds of numerous duplicates of the same price. Despite the fact that they've been there since 2014, NFTs are gaining popularity currently as a popular means to buy and sell digital artwork. Since November 2017, a whopping $174 million has been spent on NFTs, and this is in sharp contrast to the vast majority of digital products, which are nearly always available in endless quantities. If a certain asset is in demand, cutting down the supply would theoretically increase its value. Individual images, or perhaps the full collage of images, can be viewed for free on the internet. So why are people prepared to spend millions of dollars on something that might be easily screenshotted or downloaded? because a non-financial transaction permits the buyer to keep the original object. It also comes with a built-in authentication which acts as a proof of ownership. The digital rights are almost as valuable as the item itself to collectors. They also obtain exclusive rights to the property. It's true, NFTs can only have one owner at a time. Because NFTs include unique data, it's simple to verify ownership and transfer tokens between owners. They can also be used to hold specific information by the owner or author. Artists, for example, can sign their work by putting their signature in the metadata of an NFT. NFTs can represent almost anything, but just the URL of a piece of the digital material, whether it's a picture or a tweet or an article, is the most popular. While anybody can read the article or see the tweet, the notion is that it gives one person a limited number of people ownership of it. The ownership, however, is not particularly realistic. Purchasing an NFT does not grant legal possession in addition to the token. Owning an NFT does not give you the right to publish or distribute the work without the authorization of the copyright holder. This is especially true if the artist never consented to the NFT in the first place. Purchasing an NFT is similar to purchasing a limited edition poster or an autographed copy of a book in many ways. It's exceptional to you, but it doesn't mean the original work is suddenly yours. It doesn't give you any privileges that others do. Instead, it gives you a slightly more distinctive connection to it. But the issue is something else. I mean, it's literally crazy. In the year 2020, people began snapping screenshots of NFTs. It first gets viral on social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Following that, a slew of memes centered on the subject surfaced. These memes adhere to the skeptical ideology of the NFT crypto art form. Anybody can accomplish this by capturing a screenshot or a snapshot of NFT and converting it into a meme, which they can then post wherever they want or whenever they want. Occasionally, these memes became embroiled in numerous debates. They have begun to take action against NFTs as screenshots of it becoming public. These type of debates began back in early 2021, starting from the time this dispute arose mostly as a result of a meme shared by Americans on Twitter in early September 2020, because that meme has an impact on the cryptocurrency business. That individual posted a receipt that other people downloaded, claiming that if I can download NFT receipts like this, why should we buy NFTs with money? Since then, those who have uploaded this form of NFT screenshot memes have been prosecuted. After a few days, someone who posted a Pikachu claiming that the NFT creator had forgotten about the snapshot option, which allows us to take a genuine receipt and share it with others. As a result, conflicts arose, prompting NFT to take action in early 2021. Vandals are right-clicking on their newly obtained digital assets and selecting Save As, according to some NFT collectors. After all, replicating an NFT is frequently as straightforward as that. Most recently, an NFT investor confronted Twitter users Saeed DiCaprio, and it became viral. He said, "You think it's funny to take screenshots of people's NFTs, huh? Property theft is a joke to you. I'll have you know the blockchain doesn't lie. I own it." DiCaprio wrote in a follow-up tweet, "I could make a whole NFT collection of screenshots of me right-clicking and saving the image and sell it." It's an admittedly amusing debate that highlights how bizarre and ludicrous the NFT movement is. Copying NFT artwork and disseminating it elsewhere is trivial. Depending on the site selling the NFTs, even the blockchain isn't always able to back up claims of legitimate ownership. NFTs are an extravagant display of current wealth. Collectors hope to invest their money while signaling their class by purchasing a simple JPG. For others who aren't part of their circles, though, it doesn't mean anything. The mocking will very certainly continue as long as NFTs are traded, whether deserved or not. That's all for now, guys. If you have any suggestions, please put them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And do take note that this is just financial advice. So think before engaging in any kind of financial activity and invest at your own risk. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you liked our video. Stay tuned for the next interesting video, and we assure you, you won't be disappointed.